Welcome to Hustle the Struggle. My name is Leo Sotelo, and in this channel I teach a lot of motivation, how to make money videos. No matter what, you have to get your links out there. If you don't put your links out there, your affiliate links, you're not signing up for stuff, then nothing will happen. So you gotta get everything out there to make things work. It's still work, everyone. And if this is your first time stopping by my channel, go ahead and click the subscribe button below. Click the notification, because I'm going to be making a lot more videos. A lot of stuff that I invested in, I'm putting it on this channel so you don't have to make that investment. And if you're planning on starting your own YouTube channel, that's what this video right here that I'm making is about. I want to read anyone who has never made a mistake, has never tried anything new. And I see that in a lot of people these days. A lot of people don't want to, either it's procrastination, they're scared, they don't know what to do, they don't want to. A lot of people don't want to put their image on video like I'm doing right here. And you got to have confidence in yourself when you're doing this. You got to build your confidence. You have to you don't have to be on camera. You could just kind of minimize all this. This right here, what I'm using, I'm just using QuickTime Player, which is free with the MacBook Air. So yeah, you don't have to use this, but you could just put your voice out there, or there's different ways you could do that. I'll teach that later, but I wanted to start this video on how to make a YouTube channel. So stay till the end, because I'm going to be sharing a lot of different niche ideas. I'm into the entrepreneur niche, online marketing, entrepreneurship, stuff like that. Whatever niche you're in, you could be into cooking, dogs, cats, laundry detergent, how to get stains out. I mean, there's some big channels out there, but you have to, you got to build from scratch. You got to plant the seeds and water them so they could grow. So we're going to get to right here. This is my channel right here. It started to pick up pretty good. I started doing different strategies, where I'm going to kind of teach you here in a little bit. But you can use if you have a Gmail account, you can use the Gmail account that you have. But if you don't have one, you just go up here to Google. I want to get rid of my image down here, because this is about you, not about me. So here we go. Let me X out of that. Let me come over here to Google. This is what you're going to do. You're going to go to your Gmail. You're going to start a fresh account if you don't have one. And it's pretty simple. You just fill out the form, and it will want to log out of this just to show you a little more of what I'm talking about. And let me see right here. Let's see what's going on. Since I have other accounts under Gmail, as you can see right here, I have quite a few. I'm going to ignore that for now. So the one I created for this example right here is Doggy Dog World. I'm going to be using dog niche, because everybody has pets. So you're going to see how pretty big they are. So, but you could go right here, use another account. You click that, and then you create a whole new account. You could go for myself, or you can manage as my business, whichever you prefer. You hit next, you move forward, and then when you go to your YouTube, since Google owns YouTube, as a lot of people know already, you're going to sign in. And I'm going to sign in using Doggy Dog World for this example. Now, I previously made a video on how to do this, but something got messed up with my recording. So I kind of got my channel a little bit started here, but let's see it load up real quick. And I'm going to Doggy Dog World, I want to base this on, of course, dogs. I'm not going to narrow it down to a specific dog, because some people like pugs, some people like Rottweilers, some people like pit bulls, bulldogs. The good thing about the dog niche is you could put all those tags in there. So all you would do is go over here and create a new account if you don't have one already. But since I have one, I'm just going to click right here on your channel, and I created this right here with Canva. Now this is just for an example. I put Doggy Dog World. That's what the channel is called. Free gifts. And since you go over here, I don't know if you've been here already. If you're not, Canva.com, as you can see right here. Canva.com, you could do your thumbnails. You could do everything here. And you want to make your image stand out. If you're going to use a logo, you could use a logo, but you want like a welcoming image. So you see that dog I put there, YouTube channel art. Now the reason I made that dog like that was because he's welcoming. So you just go right here and you start creating. You pick a color, you go whatever you want, you put in. The thing though is when you put an image in there, as you can see over here, that the thumbnail gets kind of squished. And let me show you real quick on what I'm talking about. Go right here, customize channel. That's why I put those Doggy Dog World and free gifts kind of close, kind of smushed it together, because if I want to add extra stuff right here, I can. So let me show you over here real quick in Canva. The sun is coming out, hot summer day. I'm outside. So let's see all my designs right here. Now this will let me edit this, but I wanted to make sure I have my free gifts right here. I wanted to make sure that I could bring this dog down a little bit because I want his face. You could always go to a place like Pexels.com and you could get images for free. They're royalty free images. I found this dog right up here. That's a cute little dog. You see, I mean, people want to see a lot of eye-catching, like that little dog. This is where I found him right here. So I wanted to use him for this example. So you go over here and you just upload your image in here. Now you want to start customizing your channel, and there's a pretty cool thing you can do. Let me get out of this right here. Let me go back over here. Let me click another YouTube, because there's a few extensions you can get, and one of them is called VidIQ. So you go to vidIQ.com, and right here, TubeBuddy. You could click right here. You could get it. They're both extensions. They will pop up. Right here I have vidIQ in my extensions. And right over here, where's TubeBuddy? I got TubeBuddy right here. They're free. There are some premium versions of it. I am not promoting it by any way, but when you use them and you copy and paste, let's see, for example, right? Let's go like to stimulus check, right? Oh no, let's go to dogs. Dogs. It brings up on the side over here, vidIQ. It'll bring up a lot of. Watch, look. Let me click on this dog right here that fell asleep. Come on, hurry up, hurry up. It gives you the information on that video. This one has had 2.5 million views. I mean, that's a lot. And there is a way that you can get these videos and put them on your own channel. I will teach that in another video. But right here, you can see right here, look. Everything is right here. Everything that they all the video tags, you could use all these. There's a way to copy and paste them. I can't find them right here on this one. You could download as CSV. So you could get these same cutest puppy city, cutest animals, kitten, whatever. They're home pets. So you could get all those and put them onto your video. Let's say you're into cooking. For example, Mexican recipes. If I could spell right. Mexican recipes. Look how big this niche is. This girl right here. Look, almost 500,000 subscribers, 1 million views. It's pretty big over here. I mean, a lot of people got to eat. They want to know something different. This girl right here, the best Mexican salsa, she has 188 subscribers, 188,000 subscribers. Sorry about that. 1 million views. So these women are cooking, and they're showing their recipes. Who knows? Maybe they're even selling in their descriptions, because you could put your link in your description. So let's go back over here, right, into Doggy Dog World. So edit links, edit channel art. Let's edit the channel art real quick. Let's see what we could photos. You could always change the dog. You could change all that. Let's see, it's the same one, I think, but yeah, it's going to show up like that in mobile. On TV, it's going to show up like that. This is just an example. You could add extra text right here on what this channel is going to give, and then you go to your you gotta let them know what your channel is about. So once you have that, let's see, let's continue moving on here. Let's go back to the home. I don't got no videos to upload, but when you upload your videos, and it's on dogs, of course. I went back to the YouTube channel. Sorry about that. I want to stick to my dogs. Let people know what your channel's about. So as soon as it pops up here, if it lets it pop up, what the hell? Well, you gotta let people know what your channel's about. So when people go on there, let them know what your channel's about, what they're going to get out of this channel, the humor they're going to get. They're going to find some, funny videos of dogs doing crazy things. You give away free gifts. You like to post 2 or 3 times a week some new videos and stuff, and you will upload your videos through right here. Upload video. Now there's a way you can go live. I just learned that if you go live, it could up your um it will higher rank your video. I'm still learning that, so once I get that going, I'll put that on here as well. I have not found it on any other channel, so maybe if I keep looking, I'll find it, but I have not found it yet. They say it's a certain strategy. So you just go right here, you click upload, and you just upload the video you want. And in my case, I don't have any dogs, so not yet, at least. I'm going to grow this channel. I might as well since I built it. And you just go around here to your settings, however you want your channel to be. Do you want people to you want to allow comments? You want them to see how many subscribers you have. If not, you could set that to where you don't want them to know all that, and let them know that your channel's an American channel. Right here, you put your keywords. I put these in previously to this video: puppy dogs, family dogs, and you could put like funny dogs, and the list goes on. You hit enter, and the keyword goes in there. Select your country that you're in. We're in the United States, so I'm gonna go all the way down. United States, and then you want to save it, and then you just keep on playing right here with your settings, your achievements, how you want. Right here, you can put your comments. Let's see what it'll say. I haven't responded. Um, Sun came out, kind of hit my eyes right now, so excuse me. But that's all you do. Then right here, like I said, you could put your image, since you're the creator of the channel, or you could put like your brand image, whatever you want to do. It's your channel. The point is you start building up your channel and get it out there, because some people get to the point in their minds where you have to have the right mindset, because they start thinking about the competition. Of course, there's competition in everything you do out there, right? And you have to get out there and get over use your competition as get value from them, and just kind of create your own channel and use your own personality, your own everything to create your channel. So, but I don't want to take up too much of your time. I'm gonna be making some more videos as well, so stick around here and there, and I will post a link to a video that I have in case you want to know what niche to get in. I just recently made this video. It's going to be around here somewhere, where you could click on it and it'll show you the most high niches that are out there right now. There are so many you could get involved in. So yeah, I don't want to take up too much of your time. It's pretty simple to build a YouTube channel. You just got to get out there and do it, and pre-think your ideas on what you want to do, and then buy you a selfie. Do whatever you have to do. You can use your smartphone, your iPhone, grab a selfie and just start filming your dogs, or you're cooking, or you're into paragliding. You like to jump off the mountains. You go hiking or whatever. Fishing is pretty big as well. Whatever niche you're in, and you want to give value to that specific niche, people will always be looking for it on YouTube. So thank you for your time. Appreciate you sticking around. Go ahead and watch my other videos that I post around here, and I'll see you later. Have a good day or good night. Bye.